Hi, this is Bob at Abbeon. We're doing a test today. We're going to be doing some ultrasonic spot welds on some plastic sheets to overlap them and seal them together. So on this first one, this is a thin material. We're just going to do our standard 1/2 inch spot flat tip. And I've got it set for 1 second on 100% amplitude, and we'll just do a series of spot welds. Okay. Looks like some of them went all the way through, but it is sealed together. Doing our second sheet, I actually toned down the amplitude, turned it down a little bit because we were going all the way through on some of these. So now we're at 90% amplitude in 1 second. So we're going to go do a series of spot welds like we did before. Some of those went through as well, but I think we got a strong bond there. Okay, we're on our third sheet. We did a couple of test welds. I lowered the amplitude but increased the time so that we're not burning through the sheet. And then so we're on 1 1/4 seconds at 80% amplitude. So we'll go ahead and try this one. Do a series of spot welds again. Seems to be some kind of fiber in there. It's burning through the other side, but it's holding. So we're doing our last sheet. We just did one test weld. We put it back up to 100% amplitude, and we're on 1 1/4 seconds, and it seems to be holding. So we're going to use that and go across. In fact, I think I might bump it up to 1 1/2 seconds. So we'll do a series of spot welds across it. Oh, that one went through. Yeah, so I should have stuck with 1 1/4. But they're holding.